Interior design is the art and science of enhancing the interior of a space to create a more aesthetically pleasing and functional environment. It involves a combination of creativity, practicality, and a deep understanding of the principles and elements of design. Here are some basic concepts of interior design. Space planning. This involves organizing and arranging the available space to make it both functional and visually appealing. It includes determining the layout of furniture, fixtures, and other elements within the space. Balance. Balance in interior design is achieved by distributing visual weight evenly throughout a room. There are two types of balance: symmetrical, formal balance, where both sides of a space are identical, and asymmetrical, informal balance, where balance is achieved through contrast and variety. Proportion and scale. Proportion refers to the relative size and scale of various elements within a room. Maintaining the right proportions ensures that objects and furnishings in a space harmonize with each other and the overall environment. Rhythm and harmony. Rhythm in interior design creates a sense of movement and leads the eye around the space. Harmony, on the other hand, involves creating a cohesive and unified look by using consistent colors, patterns, and styles. Emphasis and focal points. Emphasis is about highlighting certain elements or areas within a room to draw attention. Focal points are areas or objects that serve as the center of interest in a space, such as a fireplace, artwork, or a unique piece of furniture. Color theory. Understanding how colors interact and affect mood is crucial in interior design. Different colors can evoke various emotions and set the tone for a room. Warm colors like red and orange can create a cozy atmosphere, while cool colors like blue and green can promote a sense of calm. Texture. Texture adds depth and tactile interest to a space. It can be achieved through a variety of materials such as textiles, wood, stone, and metal. Combining different textures can make a room feel more inviting and dynamic. Lighting. Proper lighting is essential for both functionality and ambience. It includes natural light, artificial lighting fixtures, and the control of light levels to create the desired mood within a space. Materials and finishes. The choice of materials, such as flooring, wall coverings, and furniture, can greatly impact the overall design. The selection of materials should consider both aesthetics and practicality. User-centered design. Interior designers must consider the needs and preferences of the people who will use the space. Functional design that meets the practical requirements of the occupants is paramount. Sustainability. Increasingly, interior designers are incorporating sustainable and eco-friendly practices into their designs. This includes using environmentally friendly materials, energy-efficient lighting, and sustainable furniture options. Budget and project management. Interior designers must work within a budget and manage the project efficiently. This involves cost estimation, procurement, and coordination with contractors and suppliers. These basic concepts serve as a foundation for interior designers to create spaces that are not only visually appealing but also functional, comfortable, and reflective of the client's style and needs. Layout and space division. The layout of the interior spaces is crucial for determining how rooms and areas are organized within the building. This includes the arrangement of rooms, hallways, staircases, and other functional areas. Rooms and functionality. Buildings typically have various rooms with specific functions, such as bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, bathrooms, offices, and more. Each room's design is tailored to its intended use. Furniture and fixtures. The selection and arrangement of furniture and fixtures within each room can significantly impact the functionality and aesthetics of the interior. This includes items like tables, chairs, cabinets, sinks, and appliances. Lighting. Adequate lighting is essential for the interior of a building. It can be natural light from windows and skylights or artificial lighting from lamps and fixtures. Lighting design can affect the ambience and functionality of a space. Color schemes and finishes. Interior designers often choose color schemes and finishes for walls, ceilings, and floors to create a particular atmosphere. These choices can range from neutral and calming to bold and vibrant. Materials and textures. The materials used for flooring, wall coverings, and other surfaces play a significant role in the interior design. Different materials and textures can impact the look, feel, and acoustics of a space. HVAC and utility systems. Building interiors include essential systems for heating, ventilation, air conditioning, HVAC, plumbing, and electrical supply. These systems ensure comfort, safety, and functionality. Accessibility. Buildings should be designed with accessibility in mind, ensuring that all individuals, including those with disabilities, can navigate and use the interior spaces comfortably. Safety features. Interior spaces must incorporate safety features such as fire exits, alarms, sprinkler systems, and emergency lighting to protect occupants in case of emergencies. Aesthetics and decor. The aesthetics of the interior can vary widely, from minimalist and modern to traditional and ornate. Decorative elements like artwork, textiles, and accessories add personality and style to a space. The design and arrangement of the interior of a building are crucial to creating a functional, comfortable, and visually appealing environment that meets the needs and preferences of its occupants. Interior designers and architects collaborate to create spaces that balance aesthetics, functionality, and safety within the context of the building's purpose and the preferences of its users.